Finally, he had paid off his creditors and could begin to save money. Paid off. Paid off.
He promised to pay me back and he never did. Paid back. Paid back.
The concert tickets were free, but we had to fork out $50 for parking. Fork out. Fork out.
She ran up huge bills on clothes. Run up. Run up.
We got ripped off buying our new car. Rip off. Rip off.
She's saving up for a new house. Save up. Save up.
You should always put aside some money for emergencies. Put aside. Put aside.
His family had a large fortune squirreled away. Squirrel away. Squirrel away.
She is trying to cut back on travel costs. Cut back. Cut back.
They splashed out $8,000 on a holiday. Splash out. Splash out.
I've just had to cough up $100 for a parking ticket. Cough up. Cough up.
We put a 15% deposit down on the house. Put down. Put down.
She came into a bit of money when her grandfather died. Come into. Come into.
A well-known business executive had bought off government inspectors. Buy off. Buy off.
My parents had to bail me out last month. Bail out. Bail out. Pay off. Pay back. Fork out. Run up. Rip off. Save up. Put aside. Squirrel away. Cut back. Splash out. Cough up. Put down. Come into. Buy off. Bail out.
Learn English with native speakers. English Free Channel.